Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create organizational charts in Whimsical in 2026. Whether you're mapping a company's structure, planning a team, or organizing departments, Whimsical makes the process fast and easy. So let's get started. First, open Whimsical in your web browser and sign in to your account. From the dashboard, create a new board or choose a blank canvas to start building your chart. Next, add a shape at the top of the board for the highest position, such as the CEO, manager, or team leader. Then begin adding more shapes underneath for departments or team members. Now connect each shape using connector lines to clearly show the reporting structure. Yeah, you can drag, resize, and rearrange the boxes at any time to keep everything organized. You can also customize each box by adding names, job titles, colors, icons, or profile images to make your organizational chart easier to understand. Once your chart is complete, click the **share * button to collaborate with teammates or export it as an image or PDF for presentations, documentation, or meetings. And that's it. You've successfully created an organizational chart in Whimsical. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.